Look, it's for all my niggas out there that still love they female, but she not coming back. But I know you still try. Yeah, it's real. Look, I'ma tell old girl like this.
Yeah.
I said I know you still here cause you still call. I know you still care cause you still call. You know you still want me cause baby I still ball. You know you still want me cause baby I still fall. I know you still care cause you still call. I know you still want me cause baby you still call. I know you still want me cause baby you still call. I know you still want me, man, you still call. Like, you know I love you, right? But I'ma tell you twice. I swear to God I was playing with your heart like some nice. But you can come back and you can spend the night, and we can have fun and we could take a flight. And loving you is right, so I can't go wrong. I swear to God I want you every day in my home. I wanna talk to you all day up on the phone. You just left me, so you left your whole boy alone. Look, and you know I still care. And loving other niggas, all the niggas still feel like I still love you, and baby you still love me. A personality ugly, but I don't give a fuck cause you was always the one. And all these other hoes, they didn't say nothing. They know I was loving you and you was loving back. Goddamn, baby, you making me have a heart attack. You still love me cause baby you still care. You still love me cause baby you still here. You still want me cause baby I still ball. You still want me cause baby you still call. Like, I know you want me cause baby you still here. I know you want me cause baby you still here. I know you want me cause baby you still care. I know you want me cause baby you still care. Like verse 2, every day thinking about you. And if you want me then come back cause I want you too. And I ain't gonna tell you not cause these lies don't work. And if you really want me you better put in the work, because all this arguing is pointless. And I ain't really tryna do it. Yeah, you know baby I'm going through it, but you tryna be making love is like making movies. I'm just tryna see you. You wanna see me too. I spit my heart into this booth, and I swear to God I ain't lying to you, this the truth. So baby, what you wanna do? Cause you know I'm about to lose. If I'm with you, I don't let these other hoes. Loving you, got your boy on the honor roll. I know you love me cause baby you still calling. I know you miss me cause baby you still calling. I know you need me cause baby you still calling. I know you want me cause baby I still ballin'. I know you want me cause baby you still calling. I know you need me cause baby you still calling. I know you want me cause baby you still calling. I know you need me cause baby you still calling. I know you need me cause baby you still calling. I know you want me cause baby you still calling. I know you need me cause baby you still calling. And baby all I love is you is what I'm after.
I was only 18 when I found my first love. You was on my mind, sexy little mama all the time. I'm thinking, what is this that I feel? Cause the way you touched me, girl, it felt unreal, like a dream. Is this really what it seems? Cause girl, you shine brighter than a shooting star. Mentally we were close, physically we were far. It was two things on my mind, the game and you. I was looking at both like which one is true. It finally hit me like a golden glove. You is my angel, the one I should love. It brings me to tears after